name's Christina Walters. I'm going to be your nurse today. I have a 16-year-old female patient with her father, and we're going to go over nutrition, safety, and that we're going to be talking about the HPV vaccine. Mr. Walters, here's just a pamphlet of what we're going to be going over. Before I get started, do you have any questions?
No, not yet, but I'm sure I will.
Okay, well, let's start with safety for a 16-year-old. So what we're going to be looking at is online safety, home safety, and driving safety. Online safety, you would like to limit their hours online. Talk to your teen about online predators, sexting, porn sites, and AI usage. Also, for home safety, if there's a weapon in the home, perhaps a gun, you want to make sure that's not accessible to the teen. Swimming pool safety, is the teen able to swim? And also, you don't want to have horse playing around the pool or multiple teenagers at the house around the pool during that time to prevent any kind of mishaps.
Yeah, we always make sure that either myself or my wife is at home if the kids are going to be around the pool.
And that's an excellent thing to do. That prevents so many things that could happen.
Right.
Driving safety, obeying the rules of the road, not having more than one other teen in the car with you to prevent distraction. It is a privilege to drive, not a right. And if the rules are not followed, then there might be consequences. Maybe no driving for a week, depending on what the violation is. Mm-hmm. Do you have any questions so far?
No, I think you outlined everything very well.
Okay, great. Well, let's move on to nutrition for a 16-year-old. Individual energy needs for adolescents vary greatly based on age, sex, body size, physical maturation, growth rate, and activity level. We do want to encourage family meals. It is important for establishing healthy eating habits and has been shown to improve dietary intake, leading to higher intakes of essential nutrients like calcium, iron, and vitamins, as well as increased consumption of fruits and vegetables.
Well, our daughter only wants to eat McDonald's. I mean, that's it. We have a hard time trying to get her to eat breakfast, have a hard time trying to get her to sit down and have family meals. So it sounds like that's really important to make it mandatory at least several times a week for her to have a big meal with the family and not just eat fast food.
It is encouraged to really stress the importance of that, so that way they're getting their vegetables and other nutrients, and it's encouraging good eating habits.
What about vitamins? I mean, should a teenage girl be taking vitamins?
It is recommended that they take a multivitamin daily. Mm-hmm. This is to help with iron deficiency, vitamin C and D, and also for skipping meals. You could also encourage like a breakfast bar or fruits, or some kind of fruit, so that way they're not missing a meal. So,
probably not Pop-Tarts, right?
Pop-Tarts
probably something better than that.
Right. Pop-Tarts probably wouldn't be a recommendation, but definitely maybe like a breakfast bar or some kind of fruits.
Right.
And that just helps. We do recommend them avoid sugary drinks, energy drinks, encourage a lot of water consumption to stay hydrated.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
So now we're going to move on to the HPV vaccine. Gardasil 9 is the vaccine distributed in the United States. This vaccine protects against 9 HPV types. The CDC recommends 2 doses of HPV vaccine at the ages of 11 to 12. It provides effective and long-lasting protection against HPV infections, which is a common cause. Nearly everyone who is not vaccinated will get HPV at some point in their lives. HPV is spread through intimate skin-to-skin contact. You can get HPV by vaginal, anal, or oral sex with someone who has the virus and they have no symptoms.
Okay, that's it. She's going to a convent. Sweetie, pack your stuff. You're going to a convent.
Mr. Walters, I don't think that that's necessary. I just have to explain.
Till she's 40.
I just have to explain how it's transmitted. Do you have any questions, Mr. Walters?
Absolutely not.
Okay. You have a great day. Where are we at?
4 minutes.
All right. Well, that's